Moen offers a variety of curved shower rods, allowing you to maximize your space in the shower and create an elegant look. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install an adjustable curved shower rod into drywall. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill with the appropriate drill bit, hammer, Phillips screwdriver, scissors, tape, and safety glasses. Step 2. Mark and drill the mounting holes. Start by determining where to mount the shower rod. Measure and mark the desired position on both walls. Tape the mounting templates to the proper location. Use a level for accuracy. The mounting template indicates which holes should be drilled for stud, tile, and drywall installations. Drill the proper holes on both walls. Then remove the mounting templates. For drywall and tile installations, insert anchors into the holes until flush with the wall. Tile anchors and wood screws are not included. For tile installations, use size number 10 wall anchors, and for stud installations, use wood screws. Step 3. Mount the shower rod to the wall. Pull the rod apart into 2 pieces. Remove the protective cover. Slide the decorative covers onto one of the rod pieces. Then reassemble the rod. Insert screws into one mounting post and tighten them into the anchors until you feel increased tension. Expand the rod and attach the other mounting post to the opposite wall. Fill the gap between the rods with the plastic connector. The final step is to snap on the decorative covers. Slide each decorative cover toward the wall and align it so it snaps in place. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing an adjustable curved shower rod is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services